Hi friends, today we are going to learn to do rainbow meditation. This meditation can be done by elder people as well as by kids. In fact, for kids, this is one of the most easiest and best meditation you can help them to do because the rainbow meditation is designed to strengthen inner qualities that we all need in our personal foundation to live a happy and meaningful lives. Our personal foundations are made up of 7 character qualities that I call as building blocks. So, if from childhood, if we are able to build in these human values, and once they become adult, for them it is easier to face the challenges of life. Our experiences, our thoughts, and our belief end up shaping our building blocks as we move through life. So, when the building blocks are nurtured, they become strong and resilient, which provide us with the resources we need when we are faced with a difficult moment or challenge, as I mentioned earlier. But when they aren't nurtured and strengthened, they can form cracks and crumble with weakness, leaving us feeling anxious, fearful, unfulfilled, unhappy, defeated, and so on, and breaking our personality and doesn't allow us to live a life of grace. So basically, rainbow meditation, as I mentioned, is designed to nurture and strengthen all 7 building blocks in a very friendly way, and this can be utilized by kids as well. So now we shall, I shall just give you about the 7 rainbow colors and what exactly those 7 colors represent in terms of psychological level and how it implements a character. Each color has a quality and a character attached to the emotion. So if we strengthen those colors, then accordingly we are able to strengthen the emotions. This is a very, very, very basic information I'm giving, but it is extremely good. And if you want to start off for children, it's the best thing. So first we will tap the color red. Red is physical, feeling calm, good sleep, safety, health, and fear. Then comes the next rainbow color, which is orange. Orange represents your emotional balance, which is emotional balance. Then peace and creativity. Then the third color is the yellow color, which represents ego, that is your personal ego. Then your confidence, then your personal power, self care, how brave you are, how independent you are. So, this is depicted by color yellow. Then comes the green. Green means actually prosperity, being social, showing love, compassion, kindness, then grief, friendship, because green represents the heart chakra. Now, this is a part of your 7 chakras, but I am not focusing on the chakras for children. It is just I am giving in a very simplified language only colors involvement and their characteristics. I will cover the chakra topic also in my other following videos. Then blue represents communication, expression, truth, and lies. Then comes indigo. Indigo represents dreams, your intuition, your imagination. And the ultimate color is the violet color. So you have attained wisdom, connection, and intellect. So now we shall try to learn the meditation techniques because remember there are no rules. Use the meditation whenever you feel like to boost any of your qualities from within and keep it as a daily routine. So this will strengthen the character as and when you want to do it. So we shall now start with this meditation. How to do it? Just give me a second. Okay. Now get comfortable, close your eyes and relax. Take a deep breath from your belly button, that is from your navel point, in through your nose and breathe it out slowly through your mouth. Now just breathe normally in this manner 3 times and relax. I repeat, breathe in from your belly button, through your nose. If you want, you can hold the breath for 3 seconds and slowly release through your mouth. Breathe in again from your belly button, through your nose. Hold it for 3 seconds and breathe it out slowly through your mouth. Again we will do, this is the last time we will do it. Take a deep breath from your belly button, in through your nose. Hold it for 3 seconds and breathe it out slowly through your mouth. Now just feel relaxed with a smile on your face and imagine a big, beautiful rainbow in front of you. See all of its colors. Feel the color. You can see the red color, the orange color, the yellow color. Then you see the green color. See how beautiful it is. Then you see which color? The blue color. After the blue color, you see the indigo color. How bright, shining, calm, soothing color it is. And then ultimately you see the violet color. So all the 7 colors are in the rainbow form, shining brightly, throwing that beautiful color light upon you. You're enjoying seeing it, feeling it. You're so happy. See, I can see the smile on your faces. Feel it for some seconds. Now imagine the color red is growing and glowing brighter than the rest. And there is red all around you. Breathe in this red color. Think to yourself, I am safe. Say to yourself, now, I feel safe. I feel absolutely safe. Now, imagine the color orange. Orange is glowing brighter and orange is all around you. How beautiful this color orange is. It's all around you. Breathe in orange. Think to yourself, I feel my feelings stirring in my body. You can feel all your feelings with the color orange. Touch that color orange and see the feeling. Say to yourself, I feel peaceful and I am peaceful. Say it again. Say it loudly. I feel peaceful and I am peaceful. I feel peaceful and I am peaceful. Next, imagine the color, beautiful, glorious yellow color, like that of a sun, is glowing and is all around you. We see the color sun every day, but we don't feel it, we don't realize it, we take it for granted. Now imagine, now see the color yellow and see how beautiful and shining it is. Breathe in yellow. Think to yourself and say, I am powerful. I feel confident. Say it again. I am powerful and I feel confident. You are not supposed to be overconfident. Overconfident is a negative trait. Being confident is in control of your emotions. Again say, I am powerful and I feel confident. Now imagine the color green is glowing brighter and brighter and brighter. And there is green all around you. Feel the green trees, the green grass, the green food, the green vegetables. Feel all of that green color. And now breathe in this color green. Yes, breathe in this color green. Think to yourself now, my family and friends love me and I love them. And say to yourself, I feel loved. Again you say this and think, my family and friends love me and I love them. Say to yourself, I feel very loved. I am lovable. Feel this. Feel your friends, your family, that they love you, they are with you, they care for you. And then you also equally feel that you are being loved by yourself because you're not getting angry, you're not getting anxious. Even if you're getting angry, you are just experiencing and then forget that anger. You're not carrying it along with you. You become angry and then forgive yourself and forgive others. Instantly say sorry. There's no harm in using the word sorry. It is a medicine. The minute you say sorry, you should feel it and say sorry and ensure you don't repeat that mistake again and again. If you repeat every time and then you say sorry, then sorry is not a medicine. It becomes a poison. Now imagine the color light blue. Imagine the light blue is getting brighter and brighter and brighter. Which is the color of light blue representing? It's the color of the sky. See the color of the sky. Feel that sky color light blue. And light blue is all around you. Yes, when you look up in the sky and see the light blue color, and immediately you look in the sea, it again gives you the light blue color. So feel that light blue that is all around you. Breathe in the glowing light blue. Yes, breathe in as much deep as you can. Think to yourself now, people listen when I talk and I am a good listener. Say to yourself now, I feel heard. People hear me when I talk to them. Again, repeat the same thing. Think to yourself, people listen when I talk, and I'm a good listener. I feel heard. They listen to me when I am talking. Sense this, feel this activity. Think of your friends or your family when they listen to you or when you are talking to them. Feel this, that they are listening to you. Even if they are not listening, here we are making a habit of thinking that they are listening. So you're creating it at this point of time. Now imagine the color dark blue, also called as indigo color. Yes? Now this color is getting brighter and brighter, and indigo is all around you. Breathe in this indigo. Think to yourself, I have a great imagination power. Say to yourself, I see great things happening for me. I have a great imagination power. I see great things happening to me, which is within my means. Yes, feel it and affirm this. Take your time, not a problem. Once you feel this, now we will imagine the color purple. Yes, purple belongs to which vegetable? Brinjal, the king of all vegetables. Yes. So imagine the color purple. It's getting brighter and brighter. And the color purple is all around you. Breathe in purple. Breathe in deeply and feel the color purple inside you. Think to yourself, I am wise. I am wise. I have wisdom, and wisdom is above knowledge. Say to yourself, I am smart and wise. Yes, think to yourself that I am wise and say to yourself, I am smart, I am intelligent, I am understanding, I have emotional intelligence, I am practical, I am balanced. Yes, say to yourself again, I am smart, I am wise, I have emotional intelligence, I have practical intelligence, I am balanced, I am very balanced. Now take one last look at your big, bright, beautiful rainbow and notice how beautiful it is. Just look at all the 7 colors which you have felt right now. Do you feel anything? Do you see anything? Do you hear anything? Or do you notice anything? If you do hear, notice, see, or if you don't hear, notice, see, it really doesn't matter. But yes, internally, I am sure you're feeling very energetic, charged, and you can notice the big, beautiful smile And now you're laughing loudly, looking at the rainbow, enjoying all the seven colors. Play with the rainbow, have fun with the rainbow. That is how it is going to energize you. Yes, feel it, touch it, look at it. It's there in front of you. It's there in the sky, dancing all around. And you can just see those beautiful rays touching your eyes, your face, and you're feeling happy. It's bringing that happiness inside you. Yes, feel it. Now take a deep breath and wiggle your toes, shake your toes, shake your feet, tap your feet. If you're standing or sitting on the chair, take another deep breath and wiggle your fingers, shake your fingers. Now take one last deep breath and open your eyes when you're ready and give a big smile. Yes, this is very simple. Now you are done with your meditation. Make a habit of practicing this anytime before going to sleep. This will really help you in the long run, and make a habit of doing it every day. It could be in the night or in the morning as per your convenience, but not to meditate after having your food for 1 hour. Never make a mistake of meditating after eating something. Hence, it's best either in the night before going to sleep or in the morning before you go to your school. It will not take more than 15-20 minutes, and this will help to keep your life in balance. I hope you felt relaxed. Thank you very much. Take care.